Are you wondering if this is worth it? Is it worth your time investment? Is it worth your financial investment? Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like there's so much more of you than what people are getting? Do you ever feel like there's a mute button on your life? Do you ever feel like that there is a self-imposed glass ceiling on your career? Are you meeting your targets financially? Are you getting the clients that you deserve? If not, maybe it's time to see or figure out if you are maximizing your potential by maximizing your speak-tential. Communication and presentation skills are critical in this day and age. There is so much competition. There are so many people in the workforce, so many people in the workplace, so many people with similar skills as you. How do you differentiate yourself from them? How do you stand out? How do you earn what you're worth? Those are the things that we're going to tackle in this workshop. And so to me, yes, it is worth it. It is worth it for you to invest these 2 days in yourself so that you can leave knowing your worth, speaking your worth, and earning your worth. And that's what we're going to do in this 2-day workshop. I do these trainings regularly for high-paying corporate clients because they know that if their employees are well-trained, that their revenue is going to jump, that their bottom line is going to improve. How about your bottom line? Isn't it time that you improve that with the skills that I teach to these other large companies? Take advantage of the training that I've brought to AXA Equitable, Hewlett Packard, Lifetime Television, Jones New York, PayPal, Spotify. Now I want to bring this to you. All of the training that I do for these corporations, I'm going to not only do a full day training, I'm doing 2 full day trainings because I want to make sure that all of it sticks. We're going to be doing mindset exercises. We're going to be practicing body language. We're going to be practicing vocal tone. We're going to be honing your message, finding out what your special sauce is, what your differentiator is, and then making you so clear on it, so proud of it, so powerful in owning it that you can step into any meeting, any board, any job interview, any sales meeting, and rock it. Communicate with power, have presence, have substance, have a message that people want to hear. Be engaging, be powerful, be fabulous. So if you're still wondering whether it's worth it, ask yourself, are you worth it? Are you worth this investment to take your skills to that next level? Because there's always another level. I love it. There's a favorite quote of mine. It's like, there's always room for improvement. It's the biggest room in the house. So please join me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to hop on a phone or a Zoom call with you and answer them. So I look forward to seeing you in August. And here's to our fabulosity.